Now I've hit a wall. Man. People that love burps are gonna love this video. Man! Oh, well, this is cool. Give me some roll tape. Give me some cat. Well, it's got outside with the bag. A lot of burps up though, that helped. I'm cold, it's disgusting. I got like nose. So cold. 30 seconds left, I've not done it. Let's try and finish this one.
That's pretty. Who's eating the egg? That's counting.
I've gotten shit. Crazy.
Just.
Fuck. It's a bad time to do this, to be honest.
2 minutes 20 left. 2 minutes. Even worse. Bex is alright in my opinion.
Yep, stomach feeling like a bitch. Excuse me. Obviously, it's supposed to be a challenge. Oh my god. Lord Jesus. So, to be fair.
Let the gas out.
40. Oh shit.
Beat that bitch.
I feel like crap.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, that's better. Yeah!
Just let him be sick though, just chill out on that. At least finish that. Shut up.
See that?
Try, go buy yourself a lamb doner kebab.
Shit.
You can buy it somewhere, surely. Maybe. Oh gosh.